How's it going, everybody? Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can back up your wine folder, your wine settings, I guess is another way of saying it. So you're going to need to get an external device, and I cover a bunch of different ways you can do this. We're going to be covering the backup settings with CP because, in my opinion, it's the best way to do it. So let's start off. We need to launch your terminal. And from there, we can run an ls, locate the wine folder, ls, like wine. We see we got a bunch of stuff in there. We scroll down and we can do, copy this command here, do a folder. This is going to create a huge copy from wine to wine backup. And we can go to the documents folder here. We see this is the wine backup folder. From there, we can close this terminal because we don't need it anymore and plug in a USB drive. I'm going to plug in a flash drive into the USB port, open it up, then I'm going to copy my stuff. Now keep in mind, guys, this is not the only way you can copy and set your backups up. I did it this way because, in my opinion, this is probably the easiest way to understand how to create a wine backup, but it's not the only way. You can also do a tar backup, which if you have a lot of data and you want to upload it to Dropbox or to something else, like maybe Google Drive, or send it over a LAN, I would recommend this. But the CP command is super easy. You don't even really need to put it on a flash drive. I'm just doing that because that's what I would do. But you can just keep it in the documents folder here for all eternity, and that will be your backup, and it will stay there. Now, some of these files here are going to error out, and those are symlink files. Those can be recreated as you start it up, so don't worry about those if they don't copy correctly to your flash drive. But all the important and critical data in your Drive C area and your DOS devices in your Drive C area is what's important here. So that's how you back up wine on Linux. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.